What's going on, you guys? Mackie here, back with another video, and today we are now eating here at Mandarin Palace. Okay guys, so our food just arrived. Right over here is their shrimp siomai. Okay guys, let's now try their shrimp siomai. Here is the siomai. Wow, the siomai is really good. If you want, you can also add chili sauce to your siomai. There it is. Wow, that's really delicious as well. Okay guys, so right over here is their kwapao. And right over here is the bird's nest soup. Okay guys, so the rest of our food just arrived. Right over here is their salt and pepper spare ribs. And right over here is their yang chow fried rice. Okay guys, let's now try their salt and pepper spare ribs. Over here is the yang chow fried rice. Wow, the salt and pepper spare ribs is really delicious. Wow, that salt and pepper spare ribs tastes really good. The interior is very soft and tender, and the exterior is very crispy. And that yang chow fried rice tastes really good together with the salt and pepper spare ribs. If you want, you can also request for complimentary tea.